Hello, my name is Mark, and in this series for absolute beginners for Ubuntu, today we're just going to be looking at how to install and remove applications. Ubuntu, like many other operating systems, comes with its own app store, and pretty much everything in there is free to install, and there are literally hundreds of applications. So we're just going to take a quick look now. If you want to install software, then you go to the Ubuntu Software. So just left click once there to start that up. And here it is. We can see all the applications that you might possibly want to choose, and there are a lot of them. So let's say we want to look at graphics photography, and here's one at random, MyPaint, which is a painting program which I haven't used very much, but we'll just install that. Just click on there, left click once. It tells you a bit about it. It confirms it's completely free, so just click on the install, and it will take a few moments to install that. There are some reviews down here as well, which is sometimes helpful, sometimes not. Gives you some clues there, but you can afford to choose, and you can afford to play around as well. Nearly done. The last few percent always take a long time. Hopefully it'll squeeze over the line very shortly. You can see perhaps I'm sitting too far away from the router there. My Wi-Fi signal is not very good. So it's installed it, and we can launch it by just clicking launch. And you can see it starting up here. It's arriving, there it is. So I can switch back to the Ubuntu software there and just close it. And here we have Paint here. So maybe choose that colour. Was that colour chosen? I don't know. Oh. You could do lots of things there, which I probably don't know what to do. So is that an eraser? No. Well, knock yourself out by learning how to use this program, and you can spend endless hours using that program or many other programs as well. When you're finished with it, close it down. I'm going to discard my masterpiece, and now we're going to uninstall it. Let's just go back into, well, let's do one thing more. Let's find it in applications first. Where is it gone? Can you see it there? There is MyPaint there. They are in alphabetical order, but that's sometimes a problem for me. There you are. So that's how to get back into it, and how to uninstall it. Go back into Ubuntu software, left click there, find all the installed software rather than just all, and then these are alphabetical, so just go down until we find, assume I can spell this time, MyPaint. Click on that, and then click on remove. Are you sure you want to remove it? Type in your password as you signed on. If you get an authentication required window like that, just type your password as you signed on. It's taking a little while to remove it, so it deletes all the programs and all the files associated with it. There's no progress bar on the removal, but you can still see that just going around very slowly there. And it has gone away, and you can obviously reinstall it again. Without going well, I can go back to the list. Now we see lots of things. Be careful what you uninstall. Some of these programs are really, really important, but you can uninstall most things if you want to. But avoid. Ubuntu, unlike some other operating systems, doesn't get slower and slower the longer you have it. It stays the same speed, so you don't need to worry about having too much installed, and it doesn't just get slower. So you'll be fine. So just get rid of that. And that concludes. Just check that it's not there in the list of all our applications. Mine's MyPaint. No, it's gone away. So just press escape twice to come out of that. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.